done that later.
You never wanna pick up. You never wanna do the things that are inconvenient.
Sushi squad? She just farted, that's why she's making that noise.
Emotional damage.
What? Tell Sushi Squad what you did.
You guys.
It smells like roses. What's up,
Hi.
Sushi?
Hello, Sushi Squad. Oh, it's because we've been traveling and eating out.
You don't have to come up with excuses. It's fine. Your body's your body.
You guys, we're in another hotel because surprise, surprise.
So I'm wearing this shirt strategically. You guys will meet him very soon. But we drove up to Dallas from Austin to pick up
A puppy.
a puppy. A lot of you, I've been getting a lot of DMs. We've been dropping like subtle hints in our Instagram stories.
Of teddy bears.
A lot of people were like, oh my God, are you guys pregnant?
I know. Some people were like, are you pregnant?
But no, we're bringing a new family member into Sushi Squad and into our household. So it is a multi-poo.
His name is Teddy because he looks like a literal teddy bear.
Literally, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna show you guys just a quick photo.
And we'll bring him in one of the videos.
Oh,
but...
he'll be in multiple videos, but
Oh, I'm gonna get up. Wait, it's too
it's
bright.
too bright. But you can kind of look at him. Looks like a teddy bear. So this is him. You guys will meet him very soon.
We're very excited because most of y'all are OG Crow members remember Timmy, who passed away about 2 months ago, and so part of the healing process, I guess, is bringing in a new dog.
Yeah.
But we're excited.
Super excited.
Yeah.
This will be great, and it's our first dog together, so it's a pretty big step.
Yeah, because Coda's mine and Timmy was mine.
Yeah.
But,
so
yeah.
send us your prayers, thoughts, wish us luck. It's gonna be amazing though. All right, without further ado, let's go. Chainsaw Man.
Chainsaw Man.
Which
I've
been hyping up so much. Like I actually think that this has the potential to be one of, if not like a top 2 animes of mine.
Yeah.
Like I just off of the pilot, just off of episode 1, I'm like, I already know this has the potential to be that show.
I'm just a little scared.
Scared for what? Oh, just like the gore and death and. All right, let's go. Let's see. We're about to learn more. Love you guys. Appreciate you guys.
Yeah.
And thank you for being on this journey with us.
Yeah.
Let's go, you guys.
Here we go. Oh.
俺の腹の音っす。
君、名前先に一つ言っておくね。デンジ君はこれから私に飼われることに。
Ooh, okay.
実はハイかワンだけ。いいえなんていう犬はいらない。鑑識課の知り合いから聞いたんだ。
Yes or woof?
ないうちの犬は安楽死させられるんだって。
Damn.
What an interesting relationship they have.
優しい人だと思ったのに、ちょっと好きになったのに、こんな怖い女。人を犬扱いしやがってよ。
Pochita!
落ちた死んだのを思い出しちまった。
Yeah.
Dude, that is crazy.
I know, out of your chest like that.
私たちも朝まだだったね。パーキングエリアで適当に。
I don't know which one to look at.
すいません。
Can't read them both.
俺金ないんすけど。
好きなの言いなよ。私お金出すから。
She's already coming across a little provocative.
癖と言われ近寄られもしなかったこの俺が初めて優しくされた
Damn.
いつらの女に好き
Wow.
Wow, bro.
Wow. Is this a
It's the same
new
intro, though.
Oh,
Wait.
okay.
I mean, it looks. Yeah, it's
Oh,
the
it
same.
is, yeah. Okay, we can skip this then.
Damn, he's moving fast, you guys. Let me advise you, that usually never ends up good.
うどん
Udon.
いいっすか
いいよ。私はカレーうどんください。
Have you ever had curry udon?
いいっす
Oh.
It's pretty good. Oh!
デンジ君、大丈夫？
いい匂いすいませんチェーンソーで自分の体も切れちゃって血出すぎて貧血飼ってた悪魔が俺の心臓になったんです俺も信じたくないっすよ俺のためにポチタが死んじまったなんて
状態は歴史的に見ても前例がとても少ないよ。名前もまだついてないくらいにね。
Wow, yeah. It's like
その
a.
話、
He's a hybrid.
Yeah. I wonder if this is like a very, very, like, first time? Never happened? She said presidented, right?
君の親友は君の中で生きてる。ロマン的な意味じゃなく、体二つの匂いがするもの。
Damn, yeah.
That's cool.
すげえそりゃすげえ
Oh no. Ooh, passed out. Her eyes are
There's a lot of fan
tricky.
service in this. Like, I see boobies everywhere. Oh! So good.
Wait, what boobies? Did I miss boobies?
Well, I mean, like, just like angles and like he's like leaning on it, you know?
食べれません
He sounds funny sometimes.
美味しい？ってるうどんも美味しいだなんて、君はけなげだね。本当に犬みたい。
She's gonna treat him like a dog.
あなたのお名前は
マキマ。
Makima.
好きな男のタイプとか
Damn, he's forward.
He's gotta know.
Please be.
Yeah.
デンジ君、
That's exactly what he wants to hear.
What? That is too good to be true. Is he dead?
Yeah, is this heaven?
What if the whole story. Okay.
He's in heaven.
Been watching too much AOT, like all these theories.
Yeah.
タイプとかあります
He's literally following her like a little puppy.
Into the Denji type.
Oh!
マキマさんが
Pause! What if his personality is like that because he's part dog? Because he has pochita in him.
Oh, it's
So that's why he's kind of like literally like a
damn.
puppy dog.
He's like gonna actually act like
Yeah.
a dog following its
I
owner.
just realized that.
Maybe.
Because he's like, I like you too, Miss Makima. Like, that's like how a puppy would be like. Like, I just want to
Yeah.
love you. Like, I hope you love me too. You know?
Yeah.
Wow.
Damn. But he also, we know he wanted that before he turned.
He wanted a woman to like sleep
Yeah.
with.
But to your point, I think that might be that's
But
a,
now it's different. It's like
Yeah.
not so much sexual. It's more like love, you know?
Alright, yeah. Alright.
I mean, maybe it is part sexual, part, you know? 'cause
Oh, there's
he's
some
so-
sexualness to it, 1000%.
好きです
デンジ君、こっちこっち。
Gotcha, gotcha.
But it's funny because I think she catches on that he's like a dog, you know?
Dude, he's a hybrid devil that's gonna be a devil hunter.
時間も含めてデビルハンターが1000人以上
Sick.
いるけど。いいんだよ。
マキマさんが俺を好きっつうことは 一緒に
See, that's like the Denji side.
Mm-hmm.
そういう関係になったらそういう行為もできるんじゃ恋して
Damn.
I mean, he's never been with a
I
girl.
know.
うちは基本制服だからこれ着てね。着替えたら君の同僚に合わせるから。
Oh, who's this?
Damn, he got a sword?
まあ、秋。デ
Aki.
ンジ君より3年先輩。
Hayakawa.
今日は早川君についていきな。
Dude, he looks sick.
こ
Yeah.
れマキマさんと一緒に仕事するんじゃないんすかそんなわけないだろ見回り行くぞ
Aw.
やだ俺はマキ
He's pouting.
働きぶりが良ければ一緒に仕事できるよ。
I like the soundtrack.
Dude, I like how sexual she's being. If she is being sexual. But she really is treating him like a dog too, though. If you're a good
Yeah.
boy, we'll hang out. I'll see you
マキマ
later.
さんって
Yeah.
男いんの
This dude just walking around with a sword on.
Yeah.
ちょ
Oh. What's going on? Why?
Bro,
What happened? Is it because he's a part devil?
or he's just trying to train him.
お前仕事やめろ明日も来たらまた
What?
Oh.
Why? Yeah.
俺の優しさが伝わらないかな軽い気持ちで仕事するやつは死ぬぜ俺の同僚も生きてるやつはみんな根っこに信念があるやつだけだ
Does he not know that he's part devil?
キマさん目当てでデビルハンターになったろピンポーンじゃあ殴って正解だったな
Bing bong. Oh, bro.
俺から言っといてやるよお前は
Dude, he has like no idea that he's part devil then.
Or this is all just a test and he's actually like.
Oh. Oh! Up the ball sack!
先輩は優しい人なんだなおい
See, I'm not a guy, but
It's nuts or nothing.
that looks like it hurts.
Pause. Sorry, real quick. I need to write that down.
As a title?
That's the title,
It's
you
nuts
guys.
or nothing.
That's so good. All right.
Dude, I bet that hurt, right?
Oh my! It made my stomach hurt. All right,
It's weird that your stomach hurts when you go.
It's all connected.
俺は今日初めてうどん食ったぜフランクフルトもな
Dang, he was that poor. He'd never had that before.
初めて飯食わせてもらった俺にとっちゃ夢みてえな生活だ
That's what we said.
Yeah.
It's like a
俺は
dream.
軽いこの生活続けるためだったら死んでもいいぜ
Wow.
That's all the motivation he
Yeah.
needs.
俺だけの命じゃなかったマキマさんはな
I wonder how strong this guy is.
チンピラが好きになっていい人間じゃねえんだよああてめえもマキマさんが好きなだけじゃねえ
Oh!
Dang!
Nuts or nothing, baby!
Oh my gosh. It's kind of a cheap shot, not gonna lie though. Right?
A street fight, man, anything goes. They haven't really explained why his teeth are sharp.
Yeah.
先輩が金玉の悪魔に玉を襲われ
Nut devil.
こいつのウイルス
でどう？仲良くできそう？
全然
デンジ君は早川君の部隊に入ってもらう。
舞台このチンピラがですか。これ以上変なやつが増えたら。
部隊を作った時に言ったよね。他じゃ見ないような実験的な体制で。
何者なんですか。
デンジ君は人間だけど悪魔になることができるんだ。
どうだすげえだろ。さ半分でしか聞いたことありませんけど。
デンジ君は特別なの。だから特別な対応で扱う。反行動があった場合、デンジ君は悪魔として処分されます。
Oh.
それって
Damn.
It's kind of like JJK.
一緒に働こうってこと。
Oh, kind of. I see the
That concept
similarities.
with
Yeah,
the
Sakuna.
Yeah.
なるため一緒に住むことになった。どっか
Oh, living with him.
いいって言われてるからな。思うならマキマさんは諦めろ。お前が悪魔なら殺されないだけ感謝しろよ。俺たちはデビルハン決まってる。俺の命の恩人だ。
She's a beast. You could already tell.
Yeah, I want to see her in action.
Her eyes, there's something, they're like,
Yeah. Do they look like?
they can hypnotize you.
No, that.
Oh, yeah, from Saw.
Yes.
いちごジャム、梅ジャム、オレンジジャムにバターとハチミツ、
Oh, that's so much sugar.
あとシナモンもかけちゃう。
Oh my god.
最強のパンができちまったぜ。
That actually kind of looks good.
うん、うん、
Dude,
So
he's
much
spilling
sugar.
everywhere.
わおわおわおわおわお。
Oh no.
What a fun roommate.
Oh,
Oh, heck no.
no. He's like never lived in
Yeah.
like a,
Oh, like in a home.
yeah. Or at least that we know of.
Yeah.
No structure.
Or like with a roommate either.
あとはデビルハンターに任せる。早川さん、隣の人を信じ？
Ah, so devil. Okay, yeah.
So like society knows who they are and they work with police.
魔
Okay.
人って何？ああ、お前義務教育受けてん。人の死体を乗っ取った悪魔、それが魔人だ。
When a devil takes control of a human?
あ
あ
あ、
OK
それじゃ俺魔人じゃね？違う。魔人は頭の形状が特徴的だ。まあ、
Huh. Oh gosh!
魔人の人格は悪魔だ。
Your friend's personality. You kill this one.
悪魔になって力を見せてみろ。それで使えるもんか。
Damn! Oh, he didn't even have to turn.
Yeah. Jeez. Wait, so you can't like save a human? You just have to like kill them?
まあ、俺の力使っだから、俺もこいつみてえな魔人になってたかもしれねえからな。
Yeah, I guess
なん
so.
か
Oh.
いいか、覚えとけ。魔人も立派な悪魔だ。デビルハンターが悪魔に同情するな。
Oh.
俺の家族は全員目の前で悪魔に。
Damn.
下にいる警察とも飲み行ったことあるけどな。奥さんとか子供を守るために命がけで仕事をしてる。お前苦 しむように殺してやりたいぜ。お前は悪魔と仲良しにでもなりたいのか？友達になれる悪魔がいたらなりてえよ。
Yeah, it's kind of hard because he was friends with Pochita.
Yeah.
And Pochita seemed like a good devil.
Right.
I wonder if there's good devils out
Right.
there.
覚えとくぜ。
Like not all devils are bad.
Yeah,
And he has a
doesn't seem
devil
so-
heart too.
Yeah, it doesn't seem so black and white.
本当はエロ本に血つけたくなくチャンスになると血飛び散って汚れちまうからな。楽に殺してやったん。行くぜ。よし。
The porn is secure. That's the title. The porn is secure.
マジでやってるぜ。落ちた。契約通り夢みてえないい生活してるもんな。その言葉。だからな。あいつはまだ追いかけてんだ。風呂も毎日入れて。女も近くにいて。
It's the
Dang.
little things.
Right.
生活なのに。
Dude, that's like gratitude.
気がする。
Yep.
なんかあったか。
Just being grateful.
マジのゴール。あいつはきっと復讐的なあれだ。あいつらは家族を守ること。マキマさんも。
See? Boobies.
Yeah.
呼んでみて。とっくの昔に俺には無理だと諦めてたけど。
His dream is to touch boobs.
知ってる俺なら揉めるんじゃねえか。いきなり女抱くのは俺には難しい。
Let's go. You got this, bro.
He's practicing.
You got this. Gentle.
いるんじゃ。お前以外全員本気なんだよ。そういうことだったのか。いえ、俺のゴール。それは胸だ。
Let's go. Oh.
話聞けバカ。
Oh, I thought she heard him.
デンジ君には今日からバディを組んでもらう。安全のため二人一組で行動することになってるんだ。ちょうどよかった。
Oh, there's another girl.
It's another. Yeah, he's gonna be like.
Is he gonna be in love too? Oh, she's a fiend.
だから
Wait, how?
おうおう、ひげ伏せ人間、わしの名はパー。
Oh, so you can tell by their heads that they're.
マシンなの？
Oh, because she has
なん
the
てやってもいいのか？
the horns.
Ah.
That was fine.
自分
Bro.
は悪魔と同じ駆除対象なんだけど、パワーちゃんは理性が高いから
Oh,
入れてみたんだ。
interesting.
前にも言ったけど、
Ah, yeah, that's cool.
今回は実験的な舞台なの。結果が出せなかったらすぐにでも上の方々が解体しちゃうかもしれない。
Damn.
そうなったら君たちがどうなるかは。
A lot of pressure.
Okay, so maybe the teeth
Yeah.
shows that they're like,
Fiends or hybrid.
yeah,
頭のつ
they're basically like related to
人
devils.
通りの少ない場所だけパトロールすること。
Yeah.
But why is her eye and then the other girl's eyes like that?
Right. Yeah, she's definitely more like demon-like.
Yeah, I feel like I'm gonna like her.
Oh! Human.
殺させろ。わしは血に飢えてるぞ。
I like her already.
Yeah. No.
Oh, I thought she was gonna kill her.
Yeah.
Or the cat.
Oh
お
yeah.
前はどうやって胸を揉むか。
Oh my god. Wait, how old is he? I can't remember.
It doesn't matter. He's a man.
警察官
But it's almost like a teenager.
公安大麻得意音歌でーす。
って言って手帳を見。
全然悪魔いねえじゃん。
He's probably like 19.
わしのせいだな。わしは魔人になる前は超。匂いで雑魚悪魔は逃げてくんじゃろ。
はあ？じゃあ俺たち結果出せねえじゃん。
何か聞きたいことがあっ組ませたから。
やろ
Uh.
う。パワーと組ませて俺を活躍させないようにして。 俺を辞めさせる気なんだ。
Her name is Power. That's kind of cool.
Yeah.
血の匂いじゃ。
Whoa.
The music. The whole vibe of this show is unique.
Yeah. I like it. Dude, I like her a lot. Oh.
See?
Sea cucumber. Whoa.
No.
Oh.
She turned blood from her into a weapon.
It's like blood demon art, blood devil art. Oh.
She is crazy.
Ooh, she's me. Oh, that would be a cool cosplay.
Oh, that would be a sick cosplay. But
I want to hear the outro. Every outro is different.
Oh, really?
Every episode, yeah.
Oh yeah, this actually looks unique.
Oh, I like this voice. Wait, hold on. Turning it up. I feel like I've heard her voice before. As a karaoke room. You know how you can tell?
The
little
microphone?
tambourine. Oh, tambourine and microphone.
I want to see like his abilities
Yeah.
and her.
Mm-hmm. Dude, I like this song a lot.
I know.
You think they're gonna become a thing? The Power and him?
No.
No?
I think he's just gonna be in love with Makima. Mamika? Mamika or Makima?
Makima.
Makima.
Yeah. Wow. I like their dynamic though. Like it's pretty funny.
The show is sick. I love shows where there are like different abilities.
Yeah.
And I think they're all gonna have like their unique kind of quirks, if you will.
Yeah.
Wink, if you're into our Patreon. If you know, you know.
I think this story did a pretty good job of helping us understand the world.
Yeah.
It did like
agreed. The backstory.
we just like jumped in already kind of like understanding the makeup, you know, like
Yeah.
the fiend, the devils. Yeah, it's pretty good.
There's not a ton of questions. Like there are some questions, but the premise is pretty straightforward right now. I am curious. Power was able to take blood from her wrist and turn into a hammer.
That was cool.
Is it always a hammer, or can she turn into blood into anything?
Well, we'll see.
Yeah, that's gonna be cool.
Yeah, and yeah, I'm interested in Aki's power.
Yeah.
Maybe it's just the katana. Cause like he's
Maybe.
human. He's human.
Right. That's true.
So
That's
he
true.
shouldn't have powers.
But Makima looks like she has powers. We don't know if she does.
Yeah, because of her eyes.
She looks like exactly. And her boot. I'm joking. All right, you guys. This is fun. I'm so glad we're on this. Literally, we're on this journey together. First time for Sushi Squad, and so love y'all. Let's keep it going, baby. Peace.